We've made it to the Bahamas. So it's Saturday morning. I arrived yesterday. Matt was already here. So I'm going to be spending the next week sailing around the Bahamas on a liveaboard boat. It's basically just a scuba diving holiday. So we're going to be doing like 3-4 dives a day, sailing around different islands, living on the boat, and yeah, just taking in the Caribbean. So I'm very, very excited. I haven't had a proper actual holiday in a very, very long time. I'm not going to have any Wi-Fi for a week, which is going to be beautiful. And yeah, we've got about, I think it's about 18 or 20 of us. It's actually organised through the diving locker in Vancouver, so we've all kind of come down. Yeah, so that's going to be it. So yesterday when I got here, it was a little bit of a mammoth journey. Didn't really have any sleep, and then we just checked out Nassau, which is where we are right now, and then we had a little bit of an eventful night. Basically we ended up in A&E because Matt had basically an infection on his foot that got really, really, really bad last night. It swelled up, he was in so much pain, he couldn't walk at all, and so obviously we were stressing out because we've got to be on the boat today. He's got to be obviously on the trip diving 3-4 times a day, and so yeah, we spent 6 hours in A&E last night getting that sorted. The doctors were actually amazing. It was a bit chaotic there. Definitely makes me appreciate the NHS and hospitals in Canada, but yeah, eventually we got it all sorted. I think we're going to be okay. Yes, thankfully. So yeah, that's why I'm a bit knackered today, because we didn't really get much sleep last night either. But yeah, it's all good because we're going to be going on a boat and we're going to be having an amazing time, and I'm very, very excited. last day of our beautiful Bahamas trip. We're currently in Nassau, just chilling out at the beach. There's Matt behind me. Before we go and get our plane, and this is the view that I'm looking at. It's freaking amazing. It's so beautiful and so hot, and the water's just incredible. So yeah, we've spent the last week on a boat, so we've been basically sailing around different islands around the Bahamas. We've been around the Exumas Islands, and basically diving 3-4 times a day. Yeah, just living on a boat, so it's been fantastic. I'm down here with the Vancouver Diving Locker, so they run a few different tropical trips a year as well as local trips around Vancouver, and our days were basically wake up, go diving, have breakfast, go diving, have lunch, go diving, go diving at night, and then have dinner. So it's basically been sleep, eat, dive, repeat all week, and it's been wonderful. So yeah, we dove with nurse sharks, with Caribbean reef sharks. There was one time when we were with literally 30 or 40 sharks. It's crazy. With loads of different types of fish, we raise. It's just been beautiful, and it's so nice to go tropical diving again because it's a little bit different to Vancouver, which is more cold water. But yeah, it's been wonderful. I haven't really vlogged all that much, but it's just been nice to kind of switch off and unplug and just kind of not have any Wi-Fi, which is beautiful. So yeah, I'm heading back to Vancouver today. I think it's a little bit cold and a little bit rainy there, which is a bit depressing. But yeah, it's been amazing, and I really, really want to come back to the Bahamas because it's just beautiful, and the people are so friendly. Like, the food is amazing. It's a little bit pricey, but it's really, really very, very nice. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video and all of the underwater footage and everything like that. And I will link down below to the Vancouver Diving Locker and kind of their trips, and also the blog post if you want to learn more about the diving and the trip and everything like that, and see what it's all about. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!